Yeah, anyway, we just chatted with Wally Jubber, one of our local neighbourhood clients, and we're handing over a free D5 motor that we got from Tiger Alarms from Yogan Naidu. So we just need to thank Yogan for giving us the motor. As you can see, if you come here and have a look at the old motor that he had, this motor was installed, you said 30
years ago.
30 years ago, and it's been running for 30 years, and it's got to a point where I went and found the manufacturer of the motor. They stopped manufacturing and distributing the unit about 15 years ago, and they say they no longer do anything to do with that motor, so they can't get any more boards for it or any more support for it. And I thought the best way we could help, I put a message out on our reseller group, on our WhatsApp group, and I had quite a few responses, and Yogan offered to give us a replacement unit for free, which is very nice of him. And yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to pass the word. Some good story for a change.
Well, my appreciation to you.
Pleasure.
Very much.
Absolutely, no problem.
Very good.
Great.
Thank you.